Hi, my name is Randy Cryer. I am an HSE specialist for Nuverra Environmental Solutions. In this video, we're going to be going over standard operating procedures for fluid loading. We will be going over the requirements, documents, materials, and tools needed, health, safety, and environmental issues, the PPE required, communications protocol, consequences of deviations in protocol, and what actions you can take to avoid any deviations. When loading fluid, it is required that all spills be reported immediately and documented with a general incident report or environmental release report, depending on the type of incident. Communication is key and must be made in a timely manner to avoid any negative customer relations or disciplinary actions. Follow the standard operating procedures and contact a supervisor or dispatch if you have any questions. If the conditions require any deviation from the standard operating procedures, use your stop work authority. The materials that are required are your bonding cable and your vent line. Other materials you may need are your JSA, buckets, wheel chocks, rubber mallet, cam lock, and drip pans. Make sure you follow your company's policies for required PPE. Pull on location. Check windsock for wind direction upon arrival at the location. Position your truck into the wind 10 to 15 feet away from the load line or dike. Set brakes on truck. Complete your JSA if required. Exit your truck using 3 points of contact, making sure that you have proper PPE. Position chocks in front of and behind one wheel. Hook up your bonding cable. Place buckets or containment under all required valves or connections. Gauge your tank or read the electronic gauge and be aware of potential H2S. For the safety of the employees, run a vent line at a 45-degree angle, downwind and away from ignition sources. Gauge PTO, increase your RPMs to manufacturer specs. Check your bleeder valve to release any pressure from the load line. Hook up your load line under suction and place your drip pans under each connection. And put your C-clamp on your fitting. Verify there are no leaks and check all your vents. Open both load line valve and open load lines on the truck. Do a walk around. Keep a constant watch on tanks, hoses, valves, lines, pumps, packing for leaks and other equipment to detect and prevent leaks. This means that if you must leave the pump for any reason, you must shut the pump down first. When truck has a legal load, start the closing process in reverse order of the hookup. Close the load line valve closest to the tank. Verify drip pans are under connection to ensure that they catch any fluid. Open the bleeder valve and crack the ears on the hose. Loosen the hose to allow it to suck air. Hold in the position until load line is sucked dry. Close the valve, disconnect load hose from load line. Verify all secondary containments are dry. Cap load hose and hang hose on the truck. Shut your load hose valve on the truck. Decrease your RPMs to idle. Gauge the tank or read the electronic gauge. Remove drip pans and secure in truck. Pick up your vent line and secure on the truck. Leave your gauge slip. Disconnect your bonding cable. One last 360-degree truck walk around to ensure the area is clear before picking up wheel chocks and securing in storage. Move the truck to a safe location and complete all your paperwork. Away from electronics, and if you encounter any problems, immediately call dispatch or your HSE supervisor. When the path of travel is clear, exit the location and ensure the gate is locked upon departure. By following the standard operating procedures for fluid loading, we can ensure an efficient, but most importantly, a safe work environment.